Okay, so this is February 12, 2014, and we have some stormy weather here in Georgia. And this is looks like snow, but it's really what it is. It's more hail than snow. And if you can hear the umbrella, the hail hitting the umbrella, you probably realize that it's hail. It's not really snow. But it is like 1 degree Celsius below zero, so the mailbox has frozen and won't open. And as you can see, the street is covered with this haily snow, and there used to be water here, and it's got like a layer of ice on top of the water. So this is quite an interesting weather. It's kind of funny. It does look like snow, but it's more hail than snow. So I'm gonna keep on going for a little walk here, enjoying the stormy weather. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will talk to you later.